You're not jacking the lettuce? I know who will jack that lettuce. Wow.
Can't check your door, go in. I don't know how to close the door.
Welcome back, JPeggers.
JPeggers?
JPeggers.
Is that what this guy just said?
I don't know about that one.
Welcome back, JPeggers.
Oh,
Today, we gonna hit the town and fuck all these. Is that not what we doing?
We're the JPEG Mafia.
The JPEG Mafia. What's going on, JPEG Mafia? We gonna hit the town, do a little photo shoot, do a little vlog, hit the record store.
What the fuck? Yeah, open this door!
DJ, what's the first letter of your last name?
V?
What's the last letter of your first name?
And
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We in downtown Wheaton, giving out my whole location right now. Hey, bro, that's where I be going to the record stores.
We going coast to coast. No fuel as I rob you for your coat. Rob your nose.
Alright, let's go. It's time to get Pokemon cards. Look at the Pokemon cards.
oh my god!
Look at the Pokemon cards.
Oh my god! Hey! Oh.
I can't do this shit, bro. AJ, I left my phone in the car.
I'm at back. How you always leave your phone in the car?
Bro, I did that shit. Where did we go? And I left my phone in my car. We went to the Fox Valley Mall and I forgot my phone in my car and Jordan drove.
Is this one like the rare Sonic and this one's the not rare Sonic? Is this the error Sonic?
My camera.
Yo. Who the fuck is that guy?
It's the Red Hulk.
Yo!
Why are you looking for Sonic? That's tough. That was
Chrome Spider-Man.
He chromed out, bro.
Mickey Mouse.
What? I don't
Mickey Mouse.
fucking fuck with Chrome.
Isn't Chrome Mickey Mouse in like Kingdom Hearts?
No, that's not real. That's Chrome Hearts Mickey.
Little did they know, in just a few moments, they would encounter a crackhead.
Yeah.
We'll just go up, back up, we can start playing. Put earplugs into play.
Oh, we did not record none of that.
No, I started like right at the end.
Fuck.
That was low-key W
That would have
crackhead.
been W.
I didn't know whether to dap him up or like,
You did that from up.
or like look at him.
Un
like,
poquito?
Yeah,
Un poquito.
he started speaking Spanish to me. I was like, bro, you're funny as
He
hell.
doesn't even look, you don't even, I ain't gonna lie, you do not look Mexican enough to be like, you only speak Spanish? Thank you for giving me confidence.
Corona has. Yo,
Oh, that's fine.
this is hard.
Ooh, this one's nice.
See if it fits your head.
DJ, hold this.
I'm eating one.
Oh man, hold it. Give me my piggy back.
Bro, what I want to look at is the gadgets. I need a VCR player.
You think I can find a DS charger here?
Bro, you could buy one on eBay for $15. This guy really about the hunt. Disc replay? Oh, that's where you found one? Then why didn't you buy one?
It's pretty expensive.
How much was it?
$10.
That's how much they are.
Oh, I think said you can find one on.
Yeah, I said on eBay for 15.
I think you said 5.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Are they your size?
Yeah.
He's in. Where'd you find these pants? They're all the same size too. That's low-key a grail.
They're all the same exact type of pant.
AJ, look at this. He found 3 of these.
Did you wear those? Those ones are cool.
I'm gonna wear these. Which, should I get all of them?
Low key. How much are they each?
$7 each.
I think you should buy them.
I don't know if I'm gonna wear that color though. I'm not gonna wear it.
I would just get the black ones then, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing. Cheese milk?
Ew, it's so old.
Oh, I don't like you touching that.
Why does that... What does that say? Is this a fucking slap chop? Yo, that's low-key a grail. $1.99?
Yeah, it's tough.
Bro, we found a slap chop.
That's actually. Alright, let's keep shopping, guys. What the
I'm gonna
hell?
go to the bathroom. Like,
Yo, why is it smoking?
Oh, what the fuck? It's a bomb!
Okay, where are we going now?
Holy shit, why are you so dark?
Why am I so dark? I don't know. I'm maybe because I'm Dominican. All right, what we gonna do, guys?
Look.
oh yeah.
This is beautiful. Get that shit away from me.
Yo. Beautiful.
This feels wrong to touch. I'm not gonna lie.
It's like flaccid.
Very like squiggly. Squiggly diggly.
Me and AJ said the exact same thing. Bruh,
Go.
stop playing with it and jump on it.
Oh.
It was squiggly.
Squiggly diggly.
Go. Go. Our man bouncing on that shit. Ooh, our man bouncing on that shit. Ooh, our man bouncing on that shit.
Yeah.
I felt the recoil.
How? I didn't know it was gonna go that fast.
Bro, I felt like shockwaves in my back.
Shockwave.
Like I felt the vibrations. I did.
Bro, felt that shit in his back.
It felt straight into my spine.
Look at that recoil. Would you say that?
Hey, AJ got some recoil. Oh, and like, look at this park, bruh.
Yeah, it's way better. But
I bet these people are kind of rich though.
I mean, you know, look at the houses and shit. Look at them cuddling and shit.
I'm really bouncing on that shit.
I'm bouncing on him like a dick.
Bro, I got the bounce on it method.
Yo, I record.
I'm the method. Hello world. Take the camera, man. Run! Ready to get out? Step on it. I'll push you. I'll push you.
Oh shit, yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Let go.
That was tough actually. Wait, that was fun. Jordan, you gotta do it.
It's gonna be a cold ass summer. That's all I gotta say, Armin. Ready?
What the hell?
How high high was I? Should I have let go midair?
You should have.
I fell and died.
I'm in, sir.
No. 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 No.
He comes back. It's our man.
Okay.
Why me?
Zipline content over. I'm tired.
Seesaw.
A seesaw. Oh my god.
This is disgusting. I gave myself in that misty light. I was hypnotized by a strange delight under a lilac tree. I wonder why we can't swim in here. I used to. Bro, honestly, you just gotta take advantage of any body of water. If you want to swim, you could swim.
They're mad wet. I'm not gonna lie, you're probably gonna slip.
Mafusi.
It is mad wet. Oh,
It's Matt Fousey.
it's so nasty. Ew.
What the fuck are you doing? God damn.
Absolute real from 1902.
What?
1902.
What? Are we at Camp Crystal Lake?
Did someone kill themselves in
Camp Kikiwaka.
Is that like a throwback?
Oh my god, that was a grail. I'm not gonna. You never seen that shit on Disney Channel?
Bro, I think someone killed themselves in the forest there. Fuck that, bro.
Oh fuck.
Did that, bro.
I don't want to be Logan Paul, bro. I can't do this.
Yo, what up?
Oh. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I don't fuck with geese, bro. I feel like they can do some damage.
Hell no.
What the hell is that? What the fuck? What is that? That's tough. I don't know what that is, but that bird ore farming, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling fantastic.
That's a duck.
No, right here.
Why you just name it? For real.
Okay, that's tough too. I'm not gonna lie.
The male duck is trying to sneak up on the female duck.
There's so much shit over here.
Tell her, like,
Oh.
yo,
Oh,
she's mad at him, bro.
she gave him the silent treatment. Oh,
This is crazy.
I don't know what this means in duck. Yo, what the fuck?
They're fighting, I think. Look.
Oh my god, they're all just communicating to each other.
What the fuck? Oh, they're fighting them.
Yo, is this a gang war?
Yo, we're in the middle of a turf war. I'm getting off of here. Bro.
Yo, I thought this was Wheaton. When did we end up in Parkway Gardens? Run away as fast as you can. Pictures in my email. I sent this girl a picture of my dick. I don't know what it is with females, but I'm not too good at that shit. See, I could have me a good girl and still be addicted to the carton shit. And I just blame everything on you. At least you know that's what I'm good at. Always find you. Always find you. Always find you wrong. You've been putting up with my shit just way too long. Okay.
Yeah, this is
Have a toast for the douchebags. Let's have a toast for the assholes. Let's have a toast for the scumbags. Every one of them I know. How am I singing this again?
You looking for frogs?
Yeah. Where's frogs at, bro?
We want a frog so bad.
I want to grab one.
You want to grab one?
Did I?
Now you gonna get a wart.
Really?
I don't know. Prairie Patch Play Area.
Yeah, I want to go to the play area. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, this one's so shittier compared to the other part we were just at.
Bro, this one looks so like Great Depression-esque.
Yeah,
This is 1980s, bro.
yeah.
It's not a sand pit, it's a rock pit.
So,
They're just pebbles. The other one had a sand pit, do you remember?
Pebble pit.
do you hear that?
That's tough.
Never mind. This place is great. Bro, this is a fucking music park. Yo, are we producing an album out here?
Yeah. Oh, that was all of it. Dude, there's like a literal stick hut over here.
What the fuck? You think there's like more than a church?
How is this supposed to be fun? Like the music's cool, but like that's just a bunch of sticks.
Yeah, let's. Okay.
Oh no.
Yeah, you look at
Hey, let me go in there.
Dude, yeah, you go first. If you do it, I'll do it.
That's where they burn some shit.
My name's Arman, and welcome to Geeked Ass. I don't care.
Geeked out.
I'm going in the witch's hut.
Yo, that guy's gonna shoot us. Damn, Arman. Arman's tweaking. Yo, did he die? Yeah, I think the cart got to this man.
Yeah.
It's a curiosity cabin.
What the fuck? I'm curious about
Can we hotbox the curiosity cabin?
Oh, that's a grail.
Think you can get up there? That's where the chest be in Fortnite.
That has to be where the chest be. You gotta put the staircase down.
Yeah.
Today in the curiosity cabin.
Welcome back to the Curiosity Cabin. Today, we're asking the age-old question: what makes you curious? AJ, what makes you curious?
What makes me curious? Honestly? Matsu. Matsu makes me curious.
That's a real curious dude. Jordan, what makes you curious?
Men kissing. Agua. And why cashews grow on trees? That's the real question.
Damn, I'm really curious.
Stay curious, guys.
Yo, it's devil fruit. That shit is so good. Humpty Dumpty in there.
Yo, eggs here? Yeah, who left the egg in here, bro?
What the fuck?
Yeah, I found a spear.
Yo, kill Jordan, he's a vampire.
Where should I throw this at?
I don't know.
Throw it at the tree?
I think, you should just like try to spear it. Can you get much higher?
Bro, who sucked up all their sand, bro?
Yeah, the sand's gone, bro.
That's just dry. Oh, parkour. It's eye-catching.
This is what that is, right? So that's why I gotta pose like this. You feel me? You feel me? Cause like, that's how you catch the eye. Like, see? Isn't that beautiful? This makes me wanna cut a promo. So, back up. Deshaun, you think you could come out of nowhere and super kick me, throw that pizza box at me, disrespect me, while I'm in the mood, while I'm going crazy? No, that's not right. So when Geekomania comes, I will make things right. On, what is it? What is it right now? It's like the middle of
The
May.
21st.
It's May 21st right now. July 15th. June 15th, matter of fact.
June 15th.
I will kill you in a Chicago for street fight. Boom.